What if I told you medicine is not going to make you healthy? Yes, you heard it right. Medicines are not going to make you healthy. Medicines are for treating diseases. Medicines are taking care of your acute symptom, your acute disease condition. So where is the health? Who is taking care of the health? And where does this health come from? It doesn't come from medicine. If you're new to my channel, I'm Dr. Poonam Maurya, founder at InnerMBBS. Yes, you heard it right. Your inner doctor, mind, body, breath and soul. That's the InnerMBBS framework about. So welcome. So let's understand what is this medicine, what is this health, what is this disease. If we understand this really well, we will all be healthy. Isn't that amazing? See, in our practice also we see that patients come to us and they say a lot of symptoms, and then of course we diagnose, we do a lot of tests, we do the diagnosis, and then we start the treatment, right? And they start taking the medicines. But what we see is not all patients will have the same response with the same medicines. Suppose there are similar kind of diseases patients, and if we give the same medicines to everyone is not going to respond in the same manner. So the one thing we say is it is the biology of the disease. It's a heterogeneous, multifactorial and all that. So what's this multifactorial? That's the trick. So what is that makes one patient very responsive to treatment, whereas some just not respond? If you want to know, then please watch till end. So my dear friends, as I told you, medicines are for treating disease. Medicine is going to take care of your disease and the acute symptom. But the health, the wellness, where does it come from? Yes, you heard it right. Your wellness is with your inner doctor. The real doctor sitting within you. The real medicine comes from your inner doctor. Your inner doctor is ready to prescribe you all possible medicines, and that inner doctor is your nothing but mind, body, breath and soul, my dear friends. Because see, just imagine, whenever we get any infection, whenever we get any small wound and cut, what do? We don't run to the hospital or the doctor immediately, Most of the small things get cured on its own. We just take care, we just wash the wound, we put some antiseptic, and in few days it heals, right? Similarly, some small headache, some small infection, we take some steam inhalation, we do some salt water gargling, we take some kashaya, kadha and all that, and we feel better, right? So this is that symptomatic treatment is needed for most of the cases, right? But when we understand that why are we falling sick at the first place, what is this disease arising from, then we would understand that what is this connection between medicine, disease and health. See, as I told you even previously, that we are complete. We have all the repair and healing mechanisms within our body, which can take care and fight all the infections. It can repair the abnormal genetic mutations, and it can just delete the abnormal cells from the body. That is nothing but your inner healing. That is the power each and every cell of your body has. And ideally speaking, we should not be falling sick. But what happens? Why do we fall sick? We fall sick because these wonderful repair mechanisms, wonderful detoxification process in the body are just not functioning at their optimum level. That's the root cause. Because these our own detoxification repair mechanisms are not working, so these small viruses, infections, these are making us sick, and we get huge big diseases, small diseases, and then we rush to the hospital and start taking medicines. Of course you need medicines at that point of time, because that's a symptom aggravation. You are having a disease, you need treatment, you need the medicine, right? But just imagine, if you just take the pill without working on yourself, is it going to be sustainable? Or again in next month, in few days, few weeks, again you will get the same recurring symptoms, the same recurring diseases. So in order to break this cycle of recurrence of diseases, we need to understand that why are we falling sick at the first place? Don't you think so? So let us try and make our inner healing very strong. When we know that the power is within us, the all healing mechanisms are within our body, then we have to only ensure that it functions at its optimum level. It can do its job wonderfully. It doesn't need anything. It doesn't need your external pills and medicines. That is just when there is an acute symptom, there is an acute disease condition, you go to the hospital, you go to the doctor and take those medicines. But your real wellness depends on how these repair mechanisms are working. And these repair mechanisms, which I have been boasting a lot, my dear friends, it just requires these 4 parameters to be working efficiently. That's your mind, body, breath and soul. These connections make the inner healing very, very strong. The power of the mind, the way we think, the psychoneuroimmunology concept, the psychology affecting our neurology and the neurology affecting our immunology and endocrinology, everything is connected. The way we think alters our genetics, alters our immunity. Like stress is immunosuppressive, and so happiness is immunity generative, I can say. So if stress is causing so much damage, just get rid of it. Just be aware of it and try to get rid of it, because this is causing so much damage. This is causing invitation to all the diseases, and then we think that medicine is going to make me healthy. Why is this medicine not working for me? Let me change the doctor, let me change the medicine. No, my dear friends, this is not going to work. This is just not going to work. Medicines are not going to make you healthy. Your health is in your hands. Yes, your health is with your inner doctor, and that's your mind, body, breath and soul. Start working on these 4 parameters and see how nicely you flourish in all parameters of your life. Because inner healing is what is required for all of us. We know it to a certain extent and we do take some steps, but it's just like taking care of only one parameter. Suppose you're taking care of only mind and neglecting the other parameters like body, breath or soul connection. Suppose you take care of all the 3 parameters, mind, body, breath, and you're forgetting the soul connection. You may have everything, but you feel like lacking most of the things. So this completeness comes when you start working and having some kind of efficiency at all the 4 parameters of the levels of mind, body, breath and soul. My dear friends, the mission of InnerMBBS is about broadly preventive health. But preventive health, a lot of people talk, but what my intention is, the gist, the base is so important to create that. The health is not in your medicine. Your medicine is within you. Your inner doctor is prescribing you. Just understand how to take the prescription, how to use those medicines, and see the wonders happening in your life. Thanks a lot. If you found value in this video, please like, share and subscribe, and comment below what else you would like to hear. Thank you.